Okay, so today I'm quickly going to explain the difference between the three functional trainers that we have in the range. So right now I'm stood next to the original multifunctional trainer. This comes equipped with two 72 kilo weight stacks on a 1-to-1 ratio. So effectively what that means is that if you have 9 kilos selected on the handle, which is the second weight, so we go 5, 9, 14. If you have 9 kilos on the handle, that's going to be 9 kilos here on the pulley system. Limitations of that being exercises such as chest fly, there's quite a lot of jump, there's quite a big jump to make. And the other limitation being that on a 1-to-1 ratio where you're connected directly to the weight stack, sometimes that doesn't feel as smooth as what you would experience in the gym where a lot of systems are set up on 2-to-1. The functional trainer itself comes with the Smith bar. The Smith bar is connected to a counterweight. That means that this Smith bar effectively weighs about 8 kilos. The weight goes up through there and then round to the back frame. It comes with the safeties, J-hooks, the dip bar, landmine attachment, and is quite a compact structure and relatively limited on height. It's as low as we could make it. The benefits of the 1-to-1 system, though, is that where you do want the extra weight for exercises such as your row or lat pull down, you've got it. So you can have 72 kilos. If we made this system on a 2-to-1 ratio, which would allow more graduation, it would effectively mean that the maximum weight that you could be pulling would be 36 kilos on the system. It comes with PU pulley wheels as standard, however you can upgrade it to the aluminium pulley wheels. That creates a smoother, more gym-like experience with the product. But in order to hit price points, it comes with the PU as standard. We then move over to the Advanced. So the Advanced features some softer benefits on the way that we've built and structured the product, but it also comes with the core benefit being that it has 3 weight stacks. What those 3 weight stacks allow us to do is to have a system which is 2-to-1 on the trolley system and the pulley wheels here. So if you select 4 plates at 20 kilos, that's going to be 10 kilos at the handle. And again, like I explained, when you've got 2 pulley wheels in there, it makes the whole movement a lot smoother. So you've got 2 wheels where the cable system's running through. It makes for a much, much smoother experience. We then included a 3rd weight stack. So again, the limitations being it's selected at 2-to-1. That means 80 kilos of weight stacks is effectively only 40 kilos at the handle. That means that some customers would struggle with exercises such as lat pull down, low row. So we added a 3rd stack onto the back. That 3rd stack at the back, 120 kilos. It comes with a lat pull down seat. So when you're doing your lat pull down, you've got the weight where you need it if you're in that 60, 70, 80 kilo range. For your low row, where you could be in the 70, 80 kilo range, you've got the foot plates down there, you've got a cable at the bottom, which allows you to do your low row effectively. So you've got 2 points, one at the top and one at the bottom, which are connected to the weight stack. We then use the opportunity to create extra depth in the rack. So this one also includes a Smith bar. That Smith bar is not connected to a counterweight. So this bar is weighing roughly 21, 22 kilos. But you can get the majority of benches into this system for a really comfortable position to be doing your incline bench press. Or if you're doing any work inside the rack, if you're doing lunges and you want to face out, you've got the space to put your legs behind, for example. The rack is built up of a mixture of frames. So the front frame here is the brushed steel effect that we have on the current functional trainer. It's a 50 mil upright. And then the rest of the rack is made up of a 75 mil 3 mil steel frame. A great branding plates on the back. The rack looks fantastic. And then we move to the 3rd rack in the range. So this is the Phase 4 system. Now this system does come in 2 different variations. It does have a system with a Smith, and it also has the original system, which is this one here. So what we have done and how this fits into the range. Firstly, it's commercially graded. So that means it comes with super high quality componentry for your J-hooks, your spotters, and the overall look and feel of the rack is substantially different to the other 2 home use systems. The rack comes with 100 kilo weight stacks. And the trolley system, which moves up and down the front of the rack here, this operates on a 2-to-1 ratio. So we have the additional pulley wheel on the weight stack here. That makes this 2-to-1. So 100 kilos is effectively 50 kilos here, but then allows for that graduation that we like. So this rack, when you're doing your chest fly or your reverse fly, you've got the steps that you need in order to have an effective workout and do sort of, graduation in your steps and how you're moving through your weight range. But then it's got the added benefit of an additional 2 pulleys up here. Now these are connected to a negative pulley wheel, which counteracts the pulley wheel which is on the weight stack, which means that this one can take the full 100 kilo system. So if you're doing a lat pull down, you've got the weight where you need it. It also comes with the foot plate. It comes with the lat pull down seat. Again, great commercial attachments. This will connect into here, and then you can do your low row from the bottom using this system here. We do also have an additional accessory which connects this down to here, so it allows you to use the full 100 kilo weight stack for a low row position. As I mentioned, this system comes with a Smith as well. So the Smith basically just includes an additional upright in here. The trolley system all moves forward, and the upright which is in here is what takes the Smith. Again, that Smith is an unweighted Smith bar, but again has great depth, and you can do the majority of your incline workouts, lunges, etc. in there. As I mentioned, the accessories all commercially graded, so you've got really super heavyweight attachments in here, which just, again, give a great feel of security. You have lots of storage options as well, so you can store your clips, all of your D handles, all your accessories off the back of the rack, your bars off the back of the rack, and also the face wall system is modular, so you can grow it. You can add storage systems. So for example, this one, we've got some storage trays here as an example, and it's attached to an additional squat rack. So I hope that explains the sort of the journey of the 3 racks and how we move through the range. We originally started with the existing functional trainer. We had the Phase 4, and customers were looking for flexibility in between, which is why we introduced the Advanced. The Advanced is a fantastic machine. It fits the gap and has been introduced to the range really, really well. Again, it comes with aluminium pulley wheels as standard, which gives a great look and feel to the product. So I hope that explains the range. If you've got any questions, if you want a video call, the team will be happy to do so. If you've got any questions on email or WhatsApp, just drop us a line and we'll be happy to help you. Any additional videos on any features that you think you might want to see, let us know and the team will be glad to help. Thanks for watching.